Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A80 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do is opening application which supported. It can be Google Chrome, settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. In it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot and tap on scroll. And now we must scrolling and adding more information to create it, or we can tap on auto scroll and tap on screen when we have all we need to stop scrolling, maybe right now, and confirm all by done. And after processing we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.